While many people assume the wealthy accumulate riches through extravagant spending, the truth is quite the opposite. The truly wealthy focus on strategic purchases that enhance their financial position rather than diminish it. Instead of simply buying luxuries, they allocate their resources toward assets and services that appreciate in value, increase efficiency, and sustain long-term wealth. Here are 5 key areas where the wealthy invest their money to become even richer. One of the most significant ways the wealthy build their fortunes is through income-producing assets. Instead of letting their money sit idle, they invest in dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, and businesses that generate steady cash flow. These assets work for them around the clock, compounding their wealth over time. For example, billionaire investor Warren Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway, earns billions annually from dividends alone. By continuously reinvesting their profits, wealthy individuals create self-sustaining streams of income that require minimal active involvement. Unlike typical salary-dependent individuals, they are not bound by the constraints of earning through labor alone, but instead allow their money to generate wealth on their behalf. Another critical investment the wealthy prioritize is education and self-improvement. They understand that knowledge is a powerful tool that unlocks financial opportunities and enhances decision-making abilities. They invest in books, courses, coaching, and high-level networking to gain insights that help them grow their businesses and investments. Unlike the average person, who may stop learning after formal education, wealthy individuals make lifelong learning a priority. They understand that industries evolve, financial landscapes shift, and new opportunities arise for those who are well-informed. By sharpening their knowledge continuously, they position themselves to take advantage of trends before the masses even notice them. In addition to education, the wealthy recognize the value of hiring top-tier professional advisors. They surround themselves with elite accountants, lawyers, and financial planners who help them legally minimize taxes, protect their assets, and optimize their wealth-building strategies. A well-structured financial plan can make a significant difference in long-term wealth accumulation. For instance, tax strategies employed by the wealthy often save them millions in legally avoided liabilities. Rather than trying to navigate complex financial matters alone, they delegate to experts who specialize in maximizing their financial efficiency. This ensures that they retain more of their earnings and channel them toward further wealth creation. While financial growth is essential, the wealthy also understand that none of it matters without good health. That's why they invest heavily in their well-being through high-quality healthcare, fitness routines, and premium nutrition. A sharp mind and a healthy body contribute to sustained productivity, allowing them to make better decisions and remain active in wealth-building activities for decades. Unlike those who view health spending as a cost, they see it as an investment that prevents long-term financial setbacks caused by illness or reduced capacity. The wealthiest individuals prioritize longevity, knowing that the longer they stay in peak physical and mental condition, the more time they have to expand their fortunes. Lastly, the wealthy understand the immense value of time and how to leverage it effectively. Instead of wasting hours on mundane tasks, they invest in services that free up their schedules for high-impact activities. They hire assistants, use concierge services, and delegate non-essential work so they can focus on business expansion, strategic investments, and personal growth. Since time is the only resource that cannot be regained, they ensure that every hour spent contributes to their financial and personal advancement. While others are bogged down with tasks that could be outsourced, the wealthy optimize their schedules to maximize productivity and financial returns. Ultimately, the key difference between the wealthy and the average person is their mindset regarding money. Rather than spending on fleeting luxuries that depreciate in value, they focus on investments that generate returns, whether through passive income, knowledge acquisition, expert guidance, health optimization, or time efficiency. By adopting this wealth-building approach, anyone can shift from simply earning money to strategically multiplying and sustaining it for long-term prosperity.